friends, yesterday I went for a ride actually, and this was for a social cause of educating some young boys and girls in a government school actually, and on hygiene of women's hygiene, etc. And it was a bikers group organized by one of the association or the biking communities, and there were about 100 bikers. I'll post a video shortly on that. But I want to relate about an incident that happened over there. I met someone. I wanted to talk about this person and let you also hear from this person. He was a very interesting character because I realized that this person actually defied some of the norms that we have set ourselves, associated ourselves with the sport called biking. And you know that we all of us love this machines on two wheels, and that's the reason that we are meeting and we are talking to each other from time to time, interacting with each other on this channel because of our love for this wonders on two wheels. However, one thing is there that's all in our mind, especially if you are in the advanced age group like me, and you always wonder that when is the time you should actually take off the biking hat and call it a day, because biking is supposed to be kind of a risky sport, and I am not doubting it because it's something that runs on two wheels and has its inherent set of dangers. However, when I met this person, I kind of was quite intrigued that this person was significantly older than me, and he has been riding bikes for probably about 50 years and above. So I couldn't help but have a short interaction with him, and I would like you also to hear from him as to what are the do's and don'ts of biking when you want to continue exploring this beautiful sport at an advanced age, and what is the age when you should actually take off the biking hat and call it a day. So hear out from him, and I'm sure that it will be an inspiring story for a lot of us who love this sport so much. Okay, so meet Mr. Manjunath. I met him in this ride actually. He is, you should not divulge one age, but I can't help because he's an inspiration for all of us. So he started riding, I will not talk about his age, but he started riding his motorcycle from 1967 when I was actually not even born, and I was thinking that I'm too old to ride at my age. So he's an inspiration for people like us, and he rides a Triumph too. I also ride a Triumph, the Scrambler, So that's why, Mr. Manjunath, you are inspiration for all of us. Any words of advice for young riders or middle-aged riders like us? How long should we actually keep riding? They say that you do not stop riding because you grow old. They say that you grow old when you stop riding.
Stop riding, exactly. You keep riding, don't lose touch with riding, and ride as our IFMR logo said, ride passionately but responsibly.
Absolutely.
And ride safe, follow some road signs, and follow the group. If you are riding in the group, please ride as per the group leader's advice, and never ride as though you are racing. You are riding for pleasure. So enjoy your ride, enjoy the surroundings, ride responsibly, what I would say. But never lose touch with riding. That is what will, once the fear comes into your head, you will never be able to overcome it easily. So this is what I would say as a rider who has been riding for 50 plus years.
Amazing. 50 plus years of riding. Can you believe that? I hope all of us are inspired by his story.
And my riding started with a SD in 1977 with my own bike. Otherwise, I was riding my dad's Lambretta and all that. And I have changed about 23, 24 bikes till now.
Amazing. What are some of the memorable bikes you have ridden?
I have ridden a Honda. My first riding for pleasure started in 2003. And then I was riding the first fuel-injected Honda CBR 600 F4i. And then I changed to a litter bike called as Honda CBR 1000RR. And then, the litter bikes we carried on till about 2014. From there we changed to Triumph 800XE. Then we had a Kawasaki Ninja 650. There are some 22, 24 bikes which I have ridden. The latest is the NX 500, which I am riding now, along with the Triumph 400. And I ride my 1250 because it's become a bit too heavy for me. So I ride it very occasionally.
I understand.
And my son rides the 1250 more, and they also are passionate riders.
Thanks. Keep inspiring people like us. Look forward to meeting you again.
Thank you very much.
Thank
it
you.
was nice meeting you.
Pleasure.